Mela, where you at? Mela, where you at? IKEA. Got the daycare. Yeah, that's cool.
Body train children reading 37 to 54.
There you go. Some more information. And they have a restaurant cafe. I saw a Swedish food market over there.
So if you forgot your bag, you can borrow a shopping bag.
Hey, look, I can measure you.
Some for the furniture when you need
And
to
for
measure.
my kids. Look how tall they are.
And then
How
your
tall?
shopping
Mela.
list and pencil if you need some.
See how tall Mela is?
There's restaurant on top.
We are gonna take the elevator. Alright, Dada gonna go in restaurant now. Just kidding. I'm just gonna check it out though. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Wow. He even had a nice furniture over here too. So the furniture. Alright.
Check it out.
Which one you like, Mela? Which one you like, baby girl? Living room. Look at this. Get some ideas. You could also get some ideas looking at the showroom. My baby daughter going to college. Hi. What you studying here, huh? You studying? I like your setup. I like your desk setup. Baby girl, give me a high five. She's sad because there's so much homework she has to do. Ain't that right? Too much homework, huh? So all furniture in this room, $700. Yeah. Like another dorm room or something. You even have here. I'm gonna sit down and enjoy myself here. Oh, little bed. This is Jason Miller bed here. Nice little plants. It's fake. Some boxes on the wall. Some art.
to my favorite showroom, the kitchen. All different type of styles. This one is tiny one. So cute. It's very tiny. It's another style. It's a modern style here. I'm hungry. What are you making?
Oh, really? I'm just making some food here without any utensils.
Vegetables.
Chop chop.
Root vegetables.
I'm flipping up some souffle.
So this is quartz. It's another style here. Dark cabinets. So dark cabinets or white cabinets? Which one do you guys like? It's a small pantry. So this kitchen connected to the laundry room. And there's the kitchen. Island. Great cabinets, different color cabinets, and different oven, design, styles, function, rows of refrigerators, and sinks, and more dining, design, different dining tables, and chairs. Master bedroom with their master bathroom, chandelier, fancy, two separate sinks, goes to closet. Let's see who's behind this. Hi! What are you doing? Is this your new bed? Do you like your new bed? Yeah.
Better get under the covers.
Nice, like a tent, right? I think you're under the tent. This is reversible bed. And there, oh, and you could put another one. The lady trying it on. There's a two bed. Oh, it's like a mesh. And there's another one over there. We're going to the kids section, furniture. There's a cute little nursery. And there's other room for you. It's a cute little. Oh, nice to have a little tent. Look at this area. You could read your books here, and draw and write. This is cute. Knock knock. Hello. Hi there. Can I come to your house? We got stars. Now we're going to like a preteen room maybe. Pink design. It's a nice little desk. So this is clever. You just put decal. Put your kids' artwork in the middle, and there you go. Layla. Hi.
Little lady's growing up.
Whoa, is this your new room? Not so much. Stay little for a while. Whee! It's a nice little room. And it's inside this cubicle. Oh, so cute. What'd you get there? A little dollhouse. Look, there's a little tent. Look, go inside. Go inside the tent. Go ahead, go inside the tent. Whoa. Oh, nice. Go ahead, you go in there. Play in there. You want a cashier? Here, you can sit down. There's more toys in here. Storage. fruits and vegetables.
So we got the cashier guy here without no money. But there's a lady here. Are you making Dada food? You making Dada food? What you making? What you gonna make me? Huh? What is that? Some veggies? Vegetable? Vegetable soup? Uh-oh. Vegetable soup? Oh, and cupcakes. Fresh from a plastic wrap. What are you making? Oh no, what are you doing in a microwave here? Ah, you're making pineapple. Microwave pineapple. Yum. Mmm. Can't wait. It's done. Mmm, can I taste this? Yeah. Would you call this a pineapple pan? Look, see a pineapple in a pan. Mmm. What else you got there? What else you got in your kitchen? Ah, what's that? What is this? Ooh, it's a kiwi. Kiwi, 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 kiwi. Oh. So we're going vegetarian for dinner, right? Looks like it. Look at that here. We got 4 entrees, fruits and veggies, and a potato. Yummy.
Dad,
Yeah?
how do you make a calculator say hello?
How do you make it say hello?
This.
Nice one, buddy. Hello.
Hey Dad,
Yeah?
do you know what it's time for?
Uh-huh.
It's time to write.
Just don't erase me, okay? Oh no, you're gonna erase me, all right. Hey, Jace, now it's my turn. You know what it's time for?
What?
It's time to brush your teeth. you brush your brother's teeth. Oh, good job. Oh no, you're gonna attack me? Oh no. Wow, don't bite me. Oh no. Oh. Does your dinosaur talk? Can you talk? Is that what it's saying? Is that what it's saying? Uh-oh. Here's Jace dinosaur. Jasosaurus. Oh, jeez. He doesn't talk, he just eats and bites. Oh, jeez. Oh, my goodness.
No.
So once we get in the kids' place, and around the corner is where we started, in the cafe. Not the
Going
restaurant.
to their marketplace.
Thanks.
It's a self-service shopping
Here's the
area.
map.
There's a map. And a showroom for household items. Household items around here. This is tiny bathroom sink that has two him and her. Safe space. And there's one right there. And this one too. Small. Look inside. It's nice and organized. This one. Real plants.
Gotta
Succulent.
have a cactus. Look at that one.
I think we're getting tired now. Walking.
Which is your favorite?
Oh, I think that's it, right?
Yeah.
This is the end.
Done.
It's from the first
tired.
floor. Might get that Delicious. Might get that one.
And don't forget, once you check out, don't forget to take home IKEA's famous Swedish meatballs. Comes with 2 favorite flavors, meat and non-meat. Yeah, vegetable balls. See? Vegetable balls. For all the vegetarians and vegans.
There's a recipe card.
Or those who just want to stay healthy. Which one do you prefer? Meat or no meat?
Chicken.
Or chicken? Yeah, meat. You? What do you want? Meat? Chicken? Inside the Swedish food market. Of course, you can't go away without a Scandi fish. Landel svenska fiskar. Hey, someone opened a Swedish Dala horse. What? Someone opened this. Alright. All this Swedish food. Have you ever tried Swedish chocolate? Kakor chocolate? Well, basically food from Sweden, huh? That's pretty cool. Have you ever had Swedish food? That looks delicious right there. Oh, cookie. We have a lot of cookie already. But this one looks good though. I might want to try to take that, right? Ah, look at this. So this Swedish desserts. Oh, that's nice. I want to try the princess. Cider apple. What else we got? Spices. Checking out, what did we get? Some Swedish chocolate, chocolate chips, and Swedish meatball. Oh, and get 1 Cinnabon for Dada.
And 1 cinnamon.
Thanks for watching MayandJC. I'll see you later. Ain't that right? I'll see you guys later. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We gotta fly out of here.